If you want to add a hyperlink in Mailchimp, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're linking to a website, a landing page, a product page, or a sign-up form, adding links in your email campaign is one of the easiest ways to drive more clicks and engagement. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the campaign section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the place you need to go if you want to edit an existing email. Next, find the email campaign where you want to add the hyperlink. When you see it, click Edit next to that campaign. This opens the campaign so you can make changes before sending it out. After that, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email editor, where you can modify the content of your message. Now find the text you want to turn into a link. Click and drag to select the words you want your audience to click on. Once the text is highlighted, look for the Add Link option and click it. A link box will appear, and this is where you paste your URL. Enter the web address you want to connect to the selected text, making sure it is the correct page and formatted properly. After pasting the URL, click Save to apply the hyperlink. At this point, your text should now be clickable inside the email. To make sure everything looks correct, preview the email before sending it out. Previewing is important because it lets you confirm the link works and that the text still looks clean and professional. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to finish. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Mailchimp. This is a great skill to know because it helps you direct people to your website, products, offers, or any other important page with just one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mailchimp and marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.